Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. First, we should open the Play Store app. Don't forget to sign in into your Gmail account. I'll make it out of screen. Okay, now in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap here to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and your green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.